Hi there, Vandana here. Thank you so much for your interest to learn how to digitalize, monetize, and market your knowledge. And thank you for signing up for this course. So let's see how you can access the course effortlessly. So once you click on the link that has been given to you for accessing the course, it could be this point where you can click to access the course, or you would have received the link in the email, or you would have a button like this where you are clicking and accessing your course, or you would have received it in the WhatsApp once you have messaged us for the details, or you would have received it on the Instamojo thank you slip that you receive in your email as well. We have given the link. So from whichever place you have got access to the course, once you click on that link, right? Once you click on that link, either this link or whatever link you have got, right? Once you click on this, what happens next? It it opens up a page like this, right? So you will have to enroll in the course to access the course. It's very similar to you having a Gmail account or a Facebook account, LinkedIn account, Instagram account. You will have to. It is a access based, account based access. So click on this and create your account if you don't have any account in my learning management system. If you already have an account, you know what to do next, right? It's easier. Simply log in and access the course. But if you're a first timer and you don't have your account, all you do is create an account, give your email ID, say, okay, create whatever login ID you would like to create. Create a new account, click on the terms and conditions, and simply sign up, right? The moment you do this, you are now all set to access the course. You will also receive an email, but immediately you get access to the course. So it's a very powerful course. Okay, so I'm sure you will make the most of it. Make sure it is a 2 hour course approx. So you make sure that either you do it in one sitting or you can do it across 2 days, as I have marked day one and day two. Depends on you how you would like to take this forward, but I am sure you're going to have very powerful learnings and insights that really matter for your growth, that really matters for you to know. It is going to reduce your learning curve by definitely 2 to 3 years on getting an understanding of what it takes to build your knowledge business online, right? So all the best, enjoy the course, and connect with me in my live sessions every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Every Tuesday at 9 p.m. you can connect with me live. Those are free sessions. You can get your question answered. All you would need to do is sign up for the business satsang. It's called the business satsang. The Zoom link to join the business satsang is already there on this page. Otherwise, you would receive it on the WhatsApp or in your email as well. So make sure you join my live session. Before joining the live session, it will be great if you could complete the course, because I'll be able to address the questions for you related to the course. And if you're not able to complete, don't worry, still join in. There are many students who will have questions, and you can also learn from the insights that are being shared there. So great. I look forward to seeing you, and all the best. Enjoy the course and make sure that you make the most of it. Till we connect online in live sessions, keep growing, keep evolving.